Greetings to everyone. Myself Ashwin R, doing my full-time PhD under the guidelines of Dr. T. Mohan Raj, Professor, School of Mechanical Engineering. My doctoral thesis title is Experimental Investigation on Open ECU SI Engine Characteristics Fueled with Ternary Blended Fuel from Artocarpus heterophyllus Field Base. Introduction. Normally, I classified the introduction into three parts. First one is generation of biofuels, open ECU petrol engine, and open ECU setup diagram, where I prepared the bioethanol from the second generation of feedstock and tried into the open ECU petrol engine with the three fuel parameters like as injection timing, ignition timing, and injection angle respectively. Methodology. We classify the methodology into four phases. In first phase, preparation of bioethanol, where we prepared the bioethanol from the non-edible feedstock and followed with the hydrolysis fermentation bioethanol. In phase 2, we prepared the bioethanol with the starting with the kind of proportions of butanol and gasoline with the ternary blend proportions as BEG10, BEG20, and BEG30, and analysis of SI engine parameters followed with the prediction analysis. In phase 3, as ANN modeling, training the network, saving the ANN modeling, and prediction of engine parameters with the performance and emission, and followed with the fuel modification. And fuel modification, we prepared the craft lignin additive with the various proportions of 10, 20, and 30 ppm with the optimized BEG30 blend, analysis of the performance characteristics by comparison of a performance, combustion, emission characteristics, comparison of results, conclusion. With the proportions of BEG 10, 20, and 30, we prepared with the three analysis of engine parameters like performance, combustion, emission, where the performance and combustion characteristics increased inside the combustion chamber for BEG blend while comparing with the BEG 10 and 20, and the emission was decreased respectively because due to the higher amount of ethanol and latent heat of vaporization inside the combustion chamber gives the complete combustion inside the cylinder. Thereby, we can conclude that from the experimental result, BEG30 gives the optimized value. With this value, we prepared with the ANN modeling to analyze the optimized value with the conclusion of the result by reducing the experimental results by reducing the experimental run, where the input parameters are BEG blend and engine load, and the output responses are BTE, BSFC, HCCO, CO2, CO and NOx. Here we can identify that the R square value was 0.9965, which is very closer to 1, shows that the ANN modeling predicts with more accuracy and shows that the BEG30 blend is found to be an optimum blend while comparing with other BEG blends. With the prediction and experimentation result, we moved on with the preparing the craft lignin additive with the various proportions like KL10, KL20, and KL30 ppm with adding optimized BEG30 blend and analysis in SI engine parameters with performance, combustion, emission. It also shows that the BEG10, BEG30 plus KL30 ppm shows increase in combustion characteristics and performance characteristics and decrease in emission characteristics while comparing with other BEG blends. This also shows that the craft lignin increases the combustion inside the combustion chamber, thereby it decreases the emission as per the BS6. Overall conclusion from the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 results, we can see that the BEG30 plus KL30 ppm identified as an optimum blend, which also shows that improved in performance and also in better combustion and decrease in emission, and it also shows to be like a sustainable fuel for analysis in SI engine characteristics for without any major modification. List of publication. I had published 2 SCI, one is Q1, another one is Q2, and I also published 3 scopers in conference proceedings with a cumulative impact factor of 12.2. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the management of SASTRA, respected Chancellor Sir, respected Vice Chancellor Sir, respected Dean Planning and Development Sir for their support in the effective completion of my doctoral degree. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Registrar, Dean SOME, Dean Research, Dean Sponsored Research, AD Research SASTRA, ADR SOME, and all ADs of SOME for their support and encouragement during my doctoral degree. I also express my heartfelt thanks to the Research Supervisor, Dr. T. Mohan Raj, for his continuous guidance and support during my entire doctoral degree. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all my DC members, both external and internal DC members, faculty, supporting staffs, and research scholars of SOME for their unwavering support during my PhD degree. I also express my gratitude for the financial support granted by the Department of Science and Technology under SERB, which was crucial in facilitating the execution of my research work. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to all my friends, grandparents, parents, and God for their support and blessings during my doctoral degree.